these affirmations every morning before you start your day. Repeat after me. No one can stop me but me.
No one can stop me but me.
My mindset matters.
My mindset matters.
I am meant to do great things.
I am meant to do great things.
My discipline will help me win.
My discipline will help me win.
Today will be a great day.
Today will be a great day.
I'll do the things I say I'll do.
I'll do the things I say I'll do.
I'll do the things I know I should.
I'll do the things I know I should.
I'll show respect and set an example.
I'll show respect and set an example.
I work when it's time to work.
I work when it's time to work.
I play when it's time to play.
I play when it's time to play.
I make good choices.
I make good choices.
'Cause I am intelligent.
I am intelligent.
I have integrity.
I have integrity.
I treat people with respect.
I treat people with respect.
I have self-control.
I have self-control.
I do the right thing without being told.
I do the right thing without being told.
I am optimistic.
I am optimistic.
I expect good things to happen.
I expect good things to happen.
I put in my best effort.
I put in my best
The
effort.
thoughts I think lead to my
The
actions.
thoughts I think lead to
And
my
that's why
actions.
I am powerful. I am resourceful. I am respectful. I am successful. I am a good listener. I am a hard worker. I'm a problem solver. I will keep going. I will keep going and going and going until I
will
win.
keep going and going and going until
And
I
I'll
win.
keep learning and learning, 'cause learning doesn't have
I
an
will
end.
keep learning and learning, 'cause learning doesn't have an end.
I am full of energy.
I am full of energy.
I am so glad I am me.
I am so glad I am me.
I treat myself kindly.
I treat myself kindly.
I take care of my body.
I take care of my body.
I'm improving every day.
I'm improving every day.
I'm improving in every way.
I'm improving in every way.
I learn something every day.
I learn something every day.
I learn so much from my mistakes.
I learn so much from my mistakes.
I am full of greatness.
I am full of greatness.
So I can do hard things.
So I can do hard things.
I can learn anything.
I can learn anything.
I am persistent.
I am persistent.
I welcome challenges.
I welcome challenges.
My challenges will help me grow.
My challenges will help me grow.
I finish what I start.
I finish what I start.
I will never give up.
I will never give up.
Sign up for our weekly newsletter and stay up to date with all things Sands Academy. Every Monday, we'll send you the latest affirmation videos, free worksheets, updates, and exclusive content, plus a sneak peek at what's coming next. It's the best way to catch up on everything Sands Academy has to offer, once a week, all in one place. Don't miss out. Sign up now. And check out our affirmations playlist. It's perfect for boosting positivity, building confidence, and helping you stay motivated, no matter if you're at work, at school, or at home. Thanks for watching, Sands fam. Bye.